welcome back out to the garage. We're back on the Jeep project. Hey, we got our stuff back from the powder coater, and now it's time to put it on. So let me show you some secrets how to not lose. When you take these screws out, lots of times you lose that plate, drops down in the window. People spend forever trying to get those things figured out. Gotta use a magnet, gotta use a wire, all this stuff. It's difficult. I have a solution. Like and subscribe. Don't miss this solution. Stay tuned. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the welding of the roof rack. You can see we got 3 plates on there for putting load up there or standing up there. We will have to watch for the spacing in between. Originally we were going to put 4, but 4 had real close spacing and adds another 25 pounds for every panel, so we decided we'd go with 3. That's 3, not 4. All right. So don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on it. Don't miss it. Soon we'll be going to the powder coater. Once we get this done, we got to get it all on the truck, take up the powder coater, get a quote, and then get it going. This is the finish we're going to look to get from the powder coater, kind of this wrinkle finish that are on the rock sliders here, and they are also on our rear bumper, which is all from the same manufacturer. All right, so got to use your T40 here. You got to break these loose. Once you break them loose, and I got a video on how to break these loose easy, all right? Mine's been out before, so now it's easy. But here's what you do. I took that out, all right? Hey, look, piece of threaded rod. Wow, check that out. This way, that plate can't fall if the welds get broke loose. A little tighter. This one's welded better. All right, we're going to go inside, get another camera for the back, and we'll be all set. All right, well, I'm going to snug those up. Let's go tighten the ones in the back, and we can go work on the other side. Damn it, I can't see because of the freaking sun. Can you come off the rods? All right, don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss it. We're going to go put the other side on. It's same routine. You've seen this one, you've seen the other side. Then we're going to work on the crossbars. We'll come back in another video, work on the crossbars and pulling our wires for our lights. We've kind of put them through the beams, but this ain't going to be easy. I guarantee it. So like and subscribe, post notifications on. Don't miss our Jeep Overland project. We got a great rack going on that thing. We're going to be able to climb up the ladder you see in the back there. You can see that ladder back there. Be able to climb up that ladder, go on top. Wildlife photography, spotting, storage, camping, you name it, we got it.